on, guys, and welcome back to another episode of BLF. If it is your first time here, make sure you are hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and hit that post notification bell to know when these videos are coming out, guys. So truth be told, guys, it's probably 2.5 weeks since I've actually recorded a video. Busy and stressful and stupid. So guys, I'll be doing 3 videos a week from now on, editing and posting them in the same week. I stacked too many videos on me at once, didn't realize how long it would take, and then I started to lose my creativity, and I don't want to lose the creativity when making these videos. So from now on, I'm gonna have a lot of creative stuff going on. I'm gonna be explaining more stuff, and I'm gonna be having more fun. Today is officially a 4th today.
Force be with you.
And I'm gonna weigh myself. Now, when it comes to me weighing myself, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm very disappointed. Last week I was 269, 268 actually, at the scale at the gym, and I'm 272. You're up, hello. Last week I was 268 at the gym, 270 at my house, and I'm not gonna be weighing that probably today. So let's go and see what is going on. Okay guys, so 273 pounds was the total final weigh-in for this week. I was expecting it to be 2 to 3 pounds heavier than usual. I've been going through a lot of stress, which is increasing my cortisol levels, and I haven't had enough food in me. I've been eating, just hasn't been enough, so I think my body's trying to store fat now, and definitely lacking in the protein department. So I'm just gonna make these little tweaks this week, stay on point with everything, and we're gonna have an amazing week with an amazing weight loss guaranteed next week. I am excited. But guys, as of right now, I gotta get my bag ready for the gym, my bag ready for work, and I gotta get my pre-workout in me and a couple of supplements for the morning. Cue in montage. Bags packed for work, right there. Bags packed for the gym. Got my pre-workout in, got my water in. I'm just gonna get myself ready, teeth brushed, face washed, kind of stuff, you know. And then I'm on my way to the gym.
Fox.
I don't got a job, but I'm getting paid. City next up, check the accolades. Never act afraid. You can ride a boat, but I'll crash your waves. Come and get a taste. Oh Lord, she feeling the more. I hit it to leave, no feeling remorse. I'm feeling myself, I really need more. You got it on lock while I'm breaking the door. Ride around the city with a top down. Shorty face get low when I drop down. Never had no help, only out myself. Bad luck go down when I spaz out. Look, I'm sick as fuck, but I'ma still record it. When I spit the flow, that's the only one. Feeling like I'm wanted, I'ma always want it. Give me like a moment, I'ma get the score and goddamn. Around and put you in the ground. Y'all talking shit, I'm the talk of the town. Bitch, I'm a king, you just holding my crown. Feel like the illest, I kill with the sound. I've been the best and they already know. Lapping these rappers, I'm going for gold. Pop up, you like it is, I gotta go. To your bitch like a writers, cause I got a ghost. Talking that shit, but I'm up in your playlist. It's about to blow like a bomb when they play it. Got your bitch on her knees like she was praying. Fuck all you rappers and no, I'm not playing. Talking that shit, but I'm up in your playlist. It's about to blow like...
Alright guys, so I'm back home from work now, so I'm gonna be having some yogurt right here, and I'll be having 2 scoops of Orange Dreamsicle by Isoflex. So it's now 4 o'clock. We literally lied in bed and did nothing. We were so tired. So I think it's time to get some Starbucks in us, and then we're gonna go get some food from on the side of Jet. What's up guys? So back in from the haul. I was supposed to show you, but let's be real. We went to a Walmart in Ancaster, and they're kind of dicks over there sometimes if you film. So I wouldn't be able to talk and film at the same time. So I'm just gonna show you what we got right now. Fiber One bars, we got about 6 of those. Some salmon, got chicken. And usually we don't buy as much chicken as we did, but we got 4 packs of this chicken because usually it's under 1 kilo. So usually under this, like 900, 980, and it's 1.2. That's a lot of chicken. Mild Italian pork sausages. Making this tonight actually. triple A Angus steak, olive oil spray, ketchup, cherry tomatoes, mushrooms, lettuce. I got this new seasoning I'm gonna try out today, roasted garlic and pepper. It's gonna be interesting. Butter. We got these pop crunch chips here. One of these are mine at least. We also got some of the crispy minis. These are our go-tos for snack. We also grabbed all of the berries, strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Got Black Forest ham, turkey bacon, eggs, cheeses for Serenity sandwiches, and shallot. What is up, guys? So now I'm going to be making the steak. I'll be portioning it out for the meals that we're going to be eating. I'll be adding some spices to it and some zucchini for me and Amanda. And what are we doing for Serenity?
Zucchini.
And zucchini for Serenity too. Look at that. What you just saw there was about 9 ounces of steak, some shallots, some zucchini, and mushrooms as well. All sizzled up there. So that's about, I would say, 40 grams of protein there. It was pretty filling as well. It's been a couple hours since I've eaten now, and tomorrow is going to be my off day. So I'm going to probably get some Gatorade, sugar-free Gatorade I'm going to be getting. And I'll be getting maybe some beef jerky and some munchies because we're going to be watching a movie tonight. So guys, when I get back, I will show you what I got from the variety store. And then we will go watch a movie. What up, guys? So basically we watched a movie, we had our snacks. I forgot to film it, but it's okay. I'm gonna wrap things up for this video. I got a lot of videos to edit still and keep myself going. So I will show you what I ate. Boy Boing. Boy Bowangs. It was chili cheese flavored and it was bomb. Next thing was a bag of these. I had 2 Fiber One bars and I had 2 Gatorades, Diet Coke, but that's what I did. That is the end of this video, guys. If you did like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell, and I will see you in a very, very short time, guys. So until then, just be fit and take it easy. Peace.
Let's go.